Greetings, and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. I hope you've been following, those of you who have been with us for a while, and sharing the video with other people so that them can hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language too. Yeah, man. So we're doing a series on the teachings of Jesus. Very important stuff. So you don't want to miss it. All right, let me tell you what you're going to do. First of all, click the like button so that YouTube will see that people interested in the video. So click the like button, leave a comment, and maybe your comment will draw another comment. So leave a comment, tell us what you think about today's reading. Share it with all of your people them. And of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for make sure so you don't miss none of what I go and write there. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
So today we're going to read from Mark chapter 8 verse 31 to 38. Then Jesus started telling followers them say, the man where God pick I go have to go through enough sufferation. And the elder them, the head priest them, and the law teacher them, I go turn them back upon him. And them I go kill him. But 3 days after that, him I go come back alive. He make them understand everything when him did I tell them. So Peter take him one side and start raise him up for say sitting like that. But Jesus turned round and looked upon him other follower them. And then him talk hard to Peter and say, go away from me, Satan. You're not think about this them where God want. A hunger where people want. They pan feel mine. Then Jesus called the crowd of people and him follower them and said to them, say, if somebody want to turn one of my follower them have to forget about what them want. Take up them cross and follow me. Somebody will want to save them life, I go lose it. But anybody will lose them life sake of me and cause them turn up strong for the good news, them I go save them life. Cause what good it would have do somebody if them get everything in the world, but then lose them life? Cause if somebody shame on me and for me message, in the world we full up of sin and people will turn their mind against God. The man where God pick now go have nothing to do with them when he come in and him Father bright light with him holy angel them. God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.